Back again, back to back, made back, stack the M's. Told him I miss Slim Shady, bag the M. Once he go black, he'll be back again.
What's going on? It's your boy Slim, and I'm back again with another video today. What I'm doing is the review on Boscia's Cactus Water Moisturizer. I saw this at Sephora the other day, and I also saw it on Boscia's Instagram page and thought I'll try it out. It's got a nice little container. This is real cute or whatever. It's supposed to be infused with cactus water and peptide complex, leaves the skin feeling plump and bouncy while helping improve the look of fine lines and wrinkles for visibly younger looking skin. So this shit better make me look 12 by the time I'm done with it. So I've already gone through my skincare routine, wash, tone, and use the serum. So since this is a moisturizer, this will be the last step. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is interesting. It's real jelly-like. That's interesting. Let's see what it feels like. It also comes with this little weird thing. It was very like, it feels very, it seems like it's real water-based. It's so smooth. It goes on very smooth. It smells fantastic. I like this. It went on so effortlessly. I didn't really have to rub it in. My skin kind of just absorbed it, and I like that. It's definitely allowing me to look very hydrated at the moment. So now that I've applied this Cactus moisturizer, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to sleep, and I'm gonna wake up and finish the video off and give some more feedback on how it works overnight, and we'll see what type of results I feel in the morning. All right, so I'm back. Just woke up. Literally haven't brushed my teeth, haven't washed my ass. My breath probably smelled like a big bag of Bounce That Ass, but it's okay because my skin is glowing. My skin feels hydrated, it's soft, it's supple. I'm ready to wash it and get my day started. As results of Boscia's Cactus Water Moisturizer, I love it thus far. It felt great putting on. It was so easy and so smooth to put on. I feel completely hydrated. My skin looks hydrated, it's glowing. So I'm gonna recommend this, but remember, results may vary, but I'm gonna recommend it. And shout out to Boscia for their Cactus Water. I definitely love this stuff, and I'm going to continue to use it and see what type of results I get for the future. Again, remember, like, comment, subscribe on this video. Follow me on the gram at Slim__lifestyle, and I will catch you again on the next one.